Let's take a look right now at Skip Hop. Skip Hop, what a great tune again, and to always keep us our imagination growing here. Send along your pictures and your stories so we can share them with all those that visit the website. That's really a very important part of our program here, is so we can share our works with in our imagination, how we look at Skip Hop and what we think about when we read the words to the song or make up our own words for the story. Right now we're going to be seeing in our pieces chord symbols: A minor 7, F6, G7. Sometimes you'll see a plain C, but whenever you see a chord symbol at this stage of our playing, you don't want to be playing any of those chord symbols right now. We will eventually get to them and show you how you're going to apply your left hand and fix your 3-note patterns and all to fit this. But right now, when you see A min 7, that little MIN 7, you play A. Okay. Let's watch very closely now. I'm going to play Skip Hop. I'm going to record this into the piano using keeping the metronome. I'm going to play it at 80. Okay, here we go. And you want to use the fingering to best set you up on this piece as well. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go right over now to our duet, which we're going to record right in, using our bassoon. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take a listen right now at this up to 120, which is I found to be a real nice goal, but as the material gets harder, it might be a harder goal to reach. So don't be discouraged if you can't get that fast. But here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't that fun? Okay. Our new symbol right now, okay, is like a little slanted line with 2 dots, as you'll see on the page here. And that means repeat, the measure repeat sign. So you'll see the measure before then is, and when you see that next measure with that symbol in it, you play the exact same thing. Okay, it's just a way to save you from writing the exact same material each bar. You don't see them that often, but when you do see them, at least you'll be ready for it. Now, we're going to add that to our musical list. In addition to that, we are going to be working on our scales. And over and above our scales, we're going to be working on our section 2 material, which is going to include 3-note patterns and our bass and treble piece. There's awful lot of lesson material here, and so give it your very best. Make scales is a very important part of your daily practice. So let's run them through them. Okay, here we go. Starting off with C. Nice and smooth and even, hitting on the fingertips. G scale. D scale, 2 sharps. A scale, 3 sharps. E scale, 4 sharps. scale, 5 sharps. F scale. The F scale, remember, ends on a different fingering. C, G, D, A, and E have the same right hand fingering. F is going to be a little different. And the B flat scale, once again, different fingering. Your thumbs are always going to be pivoting on a white note. So make scales a very important part of everyday practice. It's going to work on getting your fingers stronger. So as we start playing things faster, you're going to be really able to do it and function comfortably. You want to also be learning your lines and spaces. Very, very important. The notes above the staff and below the staff. Very important to be still be doing that, because the way our method's structured is you're going to be only looking at the pieces right now up to this case, we're only going up to A, okay? And what I'd like you to do is, as you're learning your lines and spaces, you can be working on those separate project pieces in addition to our system method here that we're presenting here. So I encourage you to feel free to grab some nice slow tunes, some popular things that you might want to play, and read those lines and spaces and have a ball, okay? It might take you a little longer because you're reading a wider range of notes than our pieces here, but I think you'll find that the fact that you're learning so much here in my method, that when you do apply yourself and you have to read and count, you're going to be really ready for what you're going to have thrown at you. So best of luck, and enjoy Skip Hop. Great tune.